What's up, YouTube? Goonies here with another demo vid for you guys, and this one comes to us from Legend Fireworks. It is called Zombie Raiders. Legend has always had some sweet artwork, as you guys can see here. Tell me that is not freaking cool. That is just, that's just sick. It's a 500 gram, 158 shots. Let's see if we could find the performance. Hold on one second. Alright, well, I've looked and there's no performance, so let's go see what it does. It's a pretty big size cake. Again, 158 shots by Legend Fireworks. Sick artwork. Let's go light it up and let me know what you guys think at the end of this one. Zombie Raiders, 158 shots.